You remember my last video where I mentioned that India needs to step up if they really want to break the Chinese dominance in the EV space? Well, here's some more interesting news. Indonesia, Thailand have also announced a slew of initiatives to attract electric vehicle manufacturers to set up base. Countries in general are looking at the EV revolution as a new way to actually get manufacturing into their countries. Indonesia, Thailand, very big markets already, but if they can make it an export hub, that would be even more awesome. Indonesia, interestingly, has decided to remove luxury tax on EVs till the end of 2025. They've reduced VAT to 1% from 11%. And all this action has led to BYD launching 3 models in Indonesia over the last couple of months. It's very interesting to also understand that vast nickel reserves also exist in Indonesia, which I'm sure a lot of EV makers and battery manufacturers are looking to capitalize on. Thailand, for that matter, has also approved incentives to companies for transitioning their fleets from regular fossil fuel to electric vehicle fleets. A very interesting development here. Companies buying domestically manufactured EVs will also be able to deduct expenses and write them off over a finite period. It'll be very interesting to see what more aggressive measures the Indian government will actually come up with.